Hi, today I'm going to be going over the LEAP checklist and what the Genomics Core Facility does to comply. So first we signed up for orientation and we immediately started recruiting other labs. We also signed up for their newsletter distribution list. Everyone in our lab is on this. And also we have staff meetings that include communications about sustainable lab practices. We make sure to have updated contact information sheets on each of our refrigerators and freezers, in addition to keeping all of our fridge and freezer space nice and tidy and clean and free of any kind of ice or debris. We also make sure to clean out our fridges and freezers of unwanted samples and reagents pretty regularly. And we have equipment in our lab available to share with other faculty members on campus. Some of our refrigerators and freezers have ENERGY STAR ratings. We leave sashes closed on all hoods when not in use, and we have reminder prompts placed on the hoods. We turn off lab equipment when not in use when possible, and we also have reminder prompts on the equipment. We set monitors to sleep after 20 minutes and computers to sleep after 2 hours. Our lab is equipped with motion sensors. And we have signage in the lab to report leaks to facilities management. We've replaced manual DI faucets with automatic shutoff faucets in the lab. And we've had a recycling bin walkthrough with the Office of Sustainability, as well as regularly scheduled audits with the EH&S office. We make sure to reuse lab products rather than throwing them away or donate them to other labs. All of our blue recycling bins in the lab have signage as to what you can recycle. We participate in glove recycling, and we have signage in the lab to indicate what can and cannot be recycled on campus. We also recycle film plastic by temporarily storing it in the lab and then dropping it off at a local store. We make sure to break down all cardboard boxes before placing them in the recycling bin. We recycle all of our printer cartridges in the library, and we ask that vendors only communicate to us electronically rather than receiving mail. When we can, we order lab supplies with other labs in order to reduce resources, waste, and to be more efficient. And when possible, we purchase sustainable lab products and supplies. To cut down on waste, if we aren't going to use a whole tube strip, we simply cut off the portion that we will use and save the rest for later. We've also made the change of always keeping the refrigerator light off. We try to buy packaging that we can keep and reuse for later rather than throwing it away. And finally, we get lots of equipment from surplus rather than buying them new. And that concludes the LEAP checklist for the Genomics Core Facility at HSC. Thanks for watching.